Assalamu alaikum. Do you know the 5 pillars of Islam? Let's dive in and learn about the pillars of Islam. Shahada, Salat, fasting, Zakat, Hajj. First pillar is Shahada. Do you know what is Shahada? Shahada is there is no God but Allah and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the messenger of Allah. The second pillar is Salat, which we offer 5 times a day. Do you know the names of prayers? They are Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. Third pillar of Islam is Som, which is called fasting. We do fasting in Ramadan. Do you know what fasting teaches us? Fasting teaches us self-discipline, self-control, and empathy. The fourth pillar of Islam is Zakat. Let's know what is Zakat. Zakat is 2.5% of our total wealth, which we pay at the end of year. The fifth pillar is Hajj. Do you know who is eligible to perform Hajj? Muslims who are physically and financially able should perform Hajj at least once in the lifetime. Let's learn pillars of Islam by matching color. Shahadat, Salat, Zakat, Som, Hajj. Hope you learned the pillars of Islam. If you like the video, then remember to like, share and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.